All right, retroactive code review, video 620. We fucked the hell up, and I don't know why. I have outtakes, but I don't have the actual fucking video. I don't know what the fuck I did, so we gotta refilm this. So this is from snapshot 620 right here, and we're retroactively reviewing it for our fast code review channel. So let's get going, because this is the fast code review. In the constant sections for Purehue, in the 3-bit hex colors section, we've added these hex values. These are 3-bit hex values that represent the primary colors, blue, green, and red, the secondary colors, cyan, magenta, and yellow, and then black and white. So 3 bits, red, green, and blue bits, in that order, from most significant bit to least significant bit. We're going to use these as values, as like keys in a lookup table in the future. But right now we got this like little lookup table here. Let's go down to the next section. So right here we made a whole bunch of like little cosmetic edits, like little comments in this function right here. Purehue RGBA hex to a 3-bit binary value. Inside of this function, we just kind of like added these things right here. So what is this constant? Well, it's this 3-bit value. What's this constant? Oh, it's this 3-bit value, right? And we did that for each and every one of them. And also, that's not even fucking correct, because my snapshot is a little bit out of date. My actual snapshot, if we go to our actual snapshot, you can see that I put RGB above each one of these as well. So if you look at this, this is our cyan 3-bit hex value, and this is its binary value, and that's what those 3 bits stand for, right? So cyan would be green and blue set, but the red bit not set, right? So that looks correct to me, right? So then we have some error checking, but I think that was not written in this video. Yeah, there's nothing there, right? Okay, so next section, this is what we did in the previous video, and then footnotes and stuff, and just fuck this. And are we out of time? No, we're not out of time. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I can't believe I fucked up so much like that. I'm fucking pissed at myself. I have no fucking clue where the video went. There's outtakes. There's fucking outtakes, but the actual fucking video that was finalized is not there, and I know I fucking did this. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic IVMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry game with vertical, horizontal, and 4-way blasting proximity mines, laser boxes, spark pins, echo boxes, a whole bunch of mechanics. I'm writing the engine from complete scratch in JavaScript using a C99 style. So if you think that is interesting, you want to see how a madman makes a fucking engine, like and subscribe.